Here from Android Coliseum, here to do an unboxing on the new Huawei Band 6. So I looked around. Technically can't buy it from their site in Canada quite yet, as far as I can tell. But I've seen it on Amazon for just under $100. So a nice little activity tracker here. And I thought just, we do a quick unboxing before I do a full week of use on it and see what it's like. Okay. So I've used like the Xiaomi bands, and I find myself always going back to Wear OS. So this is kind of nice. It's a little bigger screen. It's going to be maybe a little better. Who knows? Pull that down. Okay. And here we go. That's a pretty nice looking, like unassuming, not so big, not so small. I guess it would be that side because the button's on this side. Okay, let's take a look at how this works. So that's your standard sort of watch band. I thought maybe they would be more style like how Xiaomi does theirs or Fitbit does theirs, where it's a little bit easier, a little snap in place, but this is going to be that kind. I wonder if you can get replacements for that. So let's turn that on if I can. Maybe it needs to be charged up. Nope. It's going to have a little bit of a juice on it. Cool. I won't play with that part later. So, pretty neat. So let's play around with this here first. Let's see what's in the box. So we got a charger, and it's definitely a proprietary plug, so that's unfortunate, but whatever. It is what it is. So it's got little plugs that looks like they're going to fit underneath. Yeah, and there's two little contacts there for it to want to magnetically connect, I'm thinking. Yeah, it's a bit of a magnet connection there. Charger, and then instruction booklets looks like as well. So not much in there, but pretty neat. Got a button. Let's say we're going to be no Canadian here, so English UK. But no. Yep, definitely none of these are me. So closest will be, whoops, there was English. Download Huawei Health to your phone, and it's that Huawei thing. Oh, there's a QR code. Oh, cool. There's your settings. All right, well, I'll play around with it for a week and let you guys know what I think. Okay, thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.